ACOND faced significant challenges in managing the complex technical support required for their heat pump systems. Traditional methods for accessing technical documentation were not only time-consuming, but also prone to human errors, which led to customer dissatisfaction. As the company expanded, they need a solution that could streamline technical workflows, improve troubleshooting speed, and ensure the consistent quality, especially for the growing customer base. TechBuddy, or generative AI assistant, was the perfect solution to address ACOND's needs. It provides technicians with instant access to precise technical information and troubleshooting guidance, which minimize downtime and reduce the reliance on traditional support methods. The TechBuddy AI assistant is available 24/7, making it a reliable tool for improving service efficiency. As a result, ACOND has seen improved repair accuracy, quicker response time, and increased customer satisfaction, all of which ultimately contribute to maintaining their competitive advantage in the market.